Why it look like the back wheels are cocked out?
I like cars like that.
Hell yeah. This shit is nice.
Go in there and take pictures of mine.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I got you.
You haven't even seen mine yet.
Got you what I see, don't know.
Alright.
Yeah.